Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. So, for breakfast, I got grilled cheese, ham, yogurt, and coffee. And I was able to get, someone was listening, yogurt, the small pack, not the big long one, but instead of getting blueberry, you had to get blueberry and vanilla. I got all vanilla. So someone did it all vanilla. It's before I had to get half blueberry and half vanilla. So everybody is sleeping. Aponda and Ian got today off. They got to go sign the lease today. But they're doing the carpet, so they can't move in until Saturday night or something, or because they got to dry. And I think it's 24 hours or something. They had a cat in there, so that's good. They're doing their carpet. That's good. They shut the water off today at 9. All day, I guess, they're working on the water, so after I'm done eating, I'm taking a shower right away. I'm scootering into work. I gotta be in there for 1, because the girl that works mornings, she gotta go do something, so she got an appointment. And so the next, not this Sunday, they found a girl for the morning. She worked. They don't have to train her because they work into Edmonton. But she's going to transfer Saturday and Sunday mornings. She probably will still, her other 3 days, she probably work in Edmonton, I'm thinking, because of South End. Anyway, so, not just, I'm going to have Friday and Saturday off, starting next week, for 2 weeks. Because she can't start for 3 weeks. So I'm going to have Friday and Saturday off, work Sunday morning, so I won't be doing breakfast for 2 weeks. I gotta be in there for 6:30. So, anyhow, so that's my news there. What else? Saturday, I get my hair cut short, but my hair, it grows fast, so by the time winter or fall comes, but it's feeling like fall out there last couple of days. Feels like October. Whatever happened to August? But it's supposed to be nice today. Only 2022 temperature, but we usually have hot this time of year. So, and they're still paving. And that's why I'm all stuffed up from all that, what they're doing out there. Did the sidewalks first, now they're doing the road. And they were like 100 layers they had to break through. They just kept on bandaging it. Then it just caused a problem at the end. They got to break it all down. It's going to be a nice smooth road, but man, it's like this thick and pavement. Trying to. So I don't know. This week. This weekend. Probably do my cooking. Well, I don't know if I'm going to do it. Probably Saturday night, maybe. Sunday, they're going to be busy. And then they got to get a U-Haul, too. Move their stuff in there. Oh, damn. So, yeah. Good job they're washing the carpets because Leah can form a bad allergy to it, so. Or she got asthma or whatever, so. It's good. I wish all these apartments would just take out the carpet and just put that laminate stuff in. I hate this kitchen tile. I wish it had that laminate all through. I got carpet in the living room, my bedroom. The laminate is sturdy, it'll last forever. Carpet forms so much dust and dust mites and I just don't like carpet. Oh well. I mean, it's warm in the wintertime, but at least they don't put that beige one. That real beige in these anyway. I mean, it's brown, but it's not like that light beige, almost white. I think they do that on purpose, the landlords, so that people don't get all their damage deposit back. It's where me and Bro, there were no damages, but instead of us renting, the only thing was the carpet, right? Instead of renting it and doing it or whatever, they took $65 off the damage deposit. I think that's why landlords do it. Because it's completely empty, nothing wrong, don't need to be painted, but just having that dirty carpet just makes the whole place look like it's We were only there a year and a half. He was never there, only to film. We were living together out here. I mostly stayed in my bedroom, only cooked, my kitchen. So, yeah. Yeah, I have to shower up. I told her though, she called me about the schedule. I said, I can't work this Saturday. Tomorrow. I said, I got a babysit and I got hair appointment and I got too much. I worked the last 2 Sundays. And I'm working the next 2 Sundays, mornings. So, I used to like having Friday and Saturday off, so I don't know. Friday and Saturday feels more like a weekend to me than Saturday and Sunday. So anyhow, so that's my breakfast. I find brown bread. I use Lafondas. I gotta get bread. And tomorrow I'll gotta do my groceries. I'll have my breakfast. I'll go to No Frills, get bread and yogurt, what I need to get. Come home, put it away, and then go to my hair appointment. So I'll probably cook on Sunday. Because I gotta get my laundry done too. Do my laundry. So, yeah. Do all that on Saturday. Sunday I can rest. And then cook that night. I don't know if I'm going to do the jerk pork chop or... I was going to do that, and you take sweet potato and cut it really thin like, and or about that, and pineapple, and you put it in the jerk too, and then put it on a cookie sheet and cook it in the oven. You have that with the jerk flavoring and the pork chop. It's not the black eye. It's not the way the guy in Montreal there that Mom was friends with. He used to make the black eyed peas with rice, and he was from Jamaica, see. And then the pork was a lot of tomato, onion, and oil and all that, and the spices, and a lot of pepper. But it wasn't hot. But it was a lot of pepper. And then the black eyed peas and rice. I craved that when I was pregnant with Bro. Oh my word. Mom would get him to make it for me all the time. I was just craving it. I thought Bro was going to come out and say, "Rest a man," or something, because I was just, oh my God. The fond of Greek food. And baklava. Oh my goodness. No wonder my sugar's so... Baklava? Yeah. Jenny. Me and Jim, we never went out eating, see, takeout. He didn't like it. He didn't trust people preparing his food. But I don't think I really had a craving for her. Me and Mom were out all the time, see. When we lived in Montreal. In Ottawa. We used to go down there to, in Ottawa, Chinatown. They called it, but one restaurant we went to had a buffet, but it had Chinese food, Mexican, it had all different in the buffet. And they called it Chinatown, but it had everything, like, wasn't just Chinese food. And then in Montreal, I went to Jean Talon Market and get off the metro, and they were a place where I used to get my souvlaki and rice and everything and salad. But and my baklava. But the jerk pork chop, I don't know. I'll see. Because the pineapple and the sweet potato I like, and it makes it, you layer it, like not up and down but side in a row, and you put it in the oven. But because you can get the jerk, I seen it at the jerk spice over at Co-op, and I was in the cumin and the spice section. Not really the spice section though, it was a different section. So ethnic foods or something. I seen a jerk spice. You can make your own. I got almost everything here now. All I don't have is the coriander, because that's what you put in for the jerk. Because I got everything here to make it. I could do a jerk, but it's easier just get the jerk spice. I open up that cupboard, it smells really like curry now. I gotta get another spice thing at dollar store. Then I'll just put it down under. That's what I gotta get. It's gray. I'll see if I can get 2 teal. You get the same ones. But it was in that dollar store. I got them at the dollar store in Beaumont. I don't think they have it at this one. I'll have to check maybe across the way at the dollar store. I want the same ones. The ones that I don't use that often, I'll put at the bottom, see? Anywho, I think I'm done. I gotta go take a shower before they shut the water off on me. I poured some water in a container and a thing, just in case I gotta use the bathroom today. I got some water prepared. Or waiting. You have to use the bathroom. Pour it down and flush it. Because they'll be here all day today. They're all sleeping. They stayed up late and watched TV. Used to do that when I was young. I can't do that now. So I woke up 4 o'clock, 3:30, 4, something like that. Woke up near. Well, Laponda, I think she was sleeping. Or she could have been on her phone. I don't know. She was laying there, but Lee and Ian was watching a movie or something. On the 19th here, they're having this, I don't know, baseball game, must be at the Diamond over here, and they're doing barbecue and all this, and the kids can meet each other, or I don't see, there's nowhere around here for the kids to play unless they go to the skateboard or the park up here, see? I don't see any kids hanging around the building, but there is kids in the building. So it'd be good. Leah might meet that little girl that lives up here that's her age or something. I'll take her over on the 19th. We'll go over and so I might donate some, get whoever's not working, Ian or LaPonda on the 19th, and go over to Co-op and get some cans of pop or something, a couple to donate. I'm not going to eat over there, but bring some pop over and donate for the kids. A couple things of pop or something, I don't know, because they're doing a barbecue, so bring over. Because I think the baseball game, they're supplying the food because the super wanted to know how many people was attending, so she knew, but I think the 2 o'clock they got a woman coming in there. She's a singer from Edmonton, and she's going to be singing, and it's country music, and it says that the barbecue will be there if you want to bring your own meat and buns and whatnot. So I think that's how it goes. That's how I read it. I don't know, but I'll just donate some pop. Me and Leah will go over about 2. I'm not bringing meat and everything, but I'll go over and listen to some music. I won't stay that long unless she meets a little friend and want to stay. That's fine with me. I'll bring one of the fold-up chairs so that I can just sit down and listen to the music. But if she meets a little girl and they they might even want to go over to the park. And go over to the park and because she turns 11 on the 8th. And LaPonda's August 7th and Jenny's the 19th. 3 August babies. Jason Clare's is in October. Mine and Bros is in June. We're all summers. Oh, it's too early. I'll take a shower, but I'll probably go back and nap. I gotta be in there for 1, so I'll leave here about 12:30. I'm not gonna go to the dollar store. We stopped at the 7-Eleven last night, so I got my pop. So I don't have to go to the dollar store. I just scoot right into work. Glad I got 2 days off though. Because I worked 6 days, had 1 day off, worked 6 days, 1 day off, and then 5. So I think I deserve to. When asked me to work on Saturday, I said no. No. I just said no. Can't. Anyhow, so you guys all have a good day. You must have been able to hear me. I had the mic right up there. Just didn't want to be too loud and I got no fans on. It's so cool. It's cold at night. Have to close the windows. So anyways, I didn't want to wake them up. Which you probably can't anyway. So you guys all have a good day and stay safe, and it's cigarette time.